Everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on your Android phone by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Very first and simple thing you can do is just pull down the top menu or find the airplane mode and turn on the airplane mode for about 10-15 seconds and then turn it off. And that does a quick network refresh with connectivity. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you're going to do is go into your setting and go to connections. Now in the connection section, you should see an option for Bluetooth. Tap on Bluetooth and simply same exact step to turn off Bluetooth and then turn it back on after 10-15 seconds, and that should go ahead and fix most Bluetooth related issue. Now if it's still not fixed, let's say you're having connectivity issue with the device that you may have connected in the past, what you need to do is you see where it says paired device, you can click on the gear icon and you're going to go ahead and unpair and click on unpair and then repair it again. Now, when it comes to repairing your device, whether it's a maybe headphone or external speaker or something like that, you want to turn off that device and then try again. Same thing with your Android phone as well. You want to go ahead and turn it off. You can pull down the top menu, click on the power icon, restart it, or just use the volume down and the side button as well to restart it as well. So you're restarting both of the devices. If your device, the external one, is connected to power, you also want to pull the power plug and then re-plug it in and then try to connect it, and that should work. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is go back into your setting, go to connections, click on Bluetooth again, and you can click on the three dots up top here, and then for this, you want to go ahead and stop it and then scan, so it can basically rescan it so it can find your device. Now, let's say you're still having issues. The next thing to do is go ahead and just do this thing. What you're going to do is in your setting here, you're going to go down and look for option for general management and then go down to reset. And then you're going to look for a specific setting that resets the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So if you click on that, it's going to reset those settings and also fix any issues. You're going to go ahead and do that as well. It's going to get reset. Your Wi-Fi connections get disconnected and then you just have to reconnect again. Really important step to do. This will not delete any of your data like your photos, videos, apps. Still a necessary component to do it. Now, once you have done that, go back and reconnect to your internet connection again, to either Wi-Fi or cellular data. So you go ahead and find your connection. Go ahead and enter the password to connect. Now, once you have connected to the internet, you're going to go ahead and update your Android phone. So in your setting, you're going to go to software update and check for new update. And if there's an update, go ahead and update it. Of course, you make sure that you're connected to the internet or else the update will not show up. And after you have done all this, another setting to take a look at is in your setting. If you're having issues, is from the main settings here, you're going to go to apps. And in the app here, you're going to look for any Bluetooth app related setting that you may have. So it may be under Bluetooth for you, or if you're using a device, see if there's a Bluetooth option here. Here, I don't have this one. You can also do a search for it. So if you have a specific Android device that has Bluetooth as an app, what you need to do is click on that app for Bluetooth and then click on storage and do a cache, clear cache, and then retry again. And finally, do restart your phone one more time after doing all of this and try to reconnect and restart your device as well. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys in the next one.